So now we will start building a new website similar to this demo website. Now go to your website, click on this blue button and add a regular section. Now before adding row, I will edit this section. So I will click on this gear button, go to background and then click on gradient. I will add gradient background, so I will click on add background gradient. Select color, I will select this overlay color. Now scroll down here, place gradient above background image. I will enable it. Now go to image background, click on add background image. Now I don't have any image on media library, so I will select it from my computer. I will select this image. Now the image was uploaded. Click on upload an image. Now go to design, leave the layout and divider, just go to sizing and change the height to 750 pixels. Now it appear like that. Now in advanced custom CSS, I will add a custom CSS here. You can find it in description below. Now click on this tick button. So I don't need this section, so I will click on this trash and delete this section. Now click on this green plus icon and add a single row. Now I will select text module and enable it. Now go to demo site and copy the hero section title. Paste it here. Now go to design. Leave the text setting, just directly go to heading text. First of all, make it H1, change its font. I will select Roboto. I will make it bold and underlined. I will change text color to white and its size to 64 pixels. I will change line height to 1.2 em. Now scroll down in sizing, change the maximum width to 60%. Now in spacing, I will add bottom margin of 10 pixels. Now leave the other sections, just go to animation and add a fade animation. So click on this tick button, click on this gray icon and add another text module. So here we will again add our description or sub-heading. Now go to design. Now I will open this text setting, change the font to Roboto, change text font weight to regular and text color to white. Now I will change the size to 15 pixels and line height to 1.5 em. Now in sizing, I will make maximum width to 60%. Now I will go to animation and make slide animation. Now animation direction, I will make it up. Now click on this tick button and I will add a button. So I will click on this gray button to select a module and then select a button module. Now here I will redesign it. I will change the text to our work. Now directly go to design, leave the alignment and text, directly go to button section, enable custom style for button. Now here the text size, I will make it 16 pixels. You can change button text color, I will make it white. Now button background color, so hover over it and here you can see this arrow button. It means you can choose a background color when you hover over the button. So I will click this one. Now here you can see the hover section was appeared. First of all, I will add a background color for desktop view. I will make it blue. Now go to hover and I will make it red. Now scroll down, here is the border color. Again here I will click on this arrow and change the color for desktop to blue and hover to red. Now scroll down, here you can choose any icon. I will select this arrow because I have used same arrow here. Now scroll down, here the button icon color, I will make it white and only show icon on hover for button, I will disable it. Now the button and the icon appear without hovering. Now scroll down, Just go to spacing and add some padding. I will add 7 pixels on top and bottom, 25 on the left side and 45 on the right side. Now the button looks perfect. Now go to animation and add a slide animation and changes its direction to up. Now click on this tick button. I am done with that section. You can review it like that, or just click on these three dots and save the page. Now the page was successfully updated. Now here you can see the same hero section as you can see on the demo site.